This is Arman. I made a project named RC Car. My goal was to move the robot with a button and a light sensor. I used Mindstorm NXT Technic Beam 5 electric Mindstorm NXT light sensor, electric Mindstorm NXT monitor, electric Mindstorm NXT touch sensor. My program, I use move blocks and loop blocks. Problem, NXT port was not working and we had to switch the NXT. Thanks for watching.
Okay, can you show us the demonstration? How your robot works?
The light sensor makes it right and left.
Okay, and when you press the button, what happens?
It moves forward.
Okay. Does anyone have any questions for him?
I have one question. How do you steer it? Basically, so let me get it right. You use this for steering. Yes. That for throttle.
Okay.
Very cool.
Can you run the program a little bit more? Can you drive the car a little bit so we can see how it drives? Okay. All right, let's give him a round of applause.